I've got 2 little pimples popping up, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to try out the Mediheal Derma Modeling Pack in the tea tree variant. Tea tree is known for its soothing, acne-fighting properties, so I'm excited to use this. Once you order this, you will be provided with a spatula and a mixing bowl. What's inside is the modeling powder and the ampule. There are 5 variants to choose from, depending on your skin's needs. First step would be applying the ampule. Do not finish it all, as you will need the other half later. Spread it gently on your skin at pat. These 2 pimples popped up because I was stressed at work recently. While waiting for the ampule to dry, let's now put the modeling pack into the bowl. Next is adding 50 milliliters of cold water and start mixing. Note that the modeling pack may set fast, so you better hurry mixing it. Once mixed, you can now apply it on your face. Since we used a cold water, it really feels relaxing on the face. Let us now wait for it to harden and leave it on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can now peel it off. Don't worry, as there will be no tagging and skin stretching when you remove it. Last step would be applying the remaining ampule to make your skin even more smooth and moisturized. I'm not sure if you can tell in this clip, but my skin brightened after applying the modeling mask. I also noticed that my skin felt moisturized and hydrated. This is worth a buy, I'm telling you. So I recommend you to try this and tell me your experience in the comment section.